States of matter. Matter is everywhere. Look around you. Yes, you got it all right. All that you can see are matter. Cool, right? Now let us investigate what kinds of matter we see every day. They are called states of matter. The states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. But we will focus more on the first three states of matter. Solids keep their own shape and do not flow in a given temperature. We can hold them without spilling. Examples of solids are table, ball, book, and a lot more. In solid state, the particles are close to each other. What are particles? Particles are what make up all the matter. These are very tiny. You cannot see the individual particle in your own eyes. Imagine pieces of puzzle that you are trying to put together to complete the image. Just like particles, when you put them all together, it makes up matter. This is an example of particles of solid. They are very close to each other. As a result, solids have a definite shape and volume. It means solids occupy a definite space and you cannot simply change the shape unless you apply heat. Just like other states of matter, solids have mass or the amount of matter in an object. These are examples of solid objects. Since you can hold them, you can describe their shape, just like the block of wood. Its shape is square and rectangle. It is hard. You can also describe the rock as rock, hard, and the rock retains its shape. You can also describe the pillow as soft. Its shape is rectangle, and the color is white. How about the mirror? Its shape is circle. When you touch them, it is smooth and hard. Liquids do not retain their own shape. It takes the shape of its container. Look at this. The chocolate milk that comes on square box will take the shape of the glass. Liquids have a definite volume. They also have mass. It means liquids do not change their volume whether you change their container or not. In liquids, particles are packed closely to each other, but they are much farther apart than solid. That is the explanation why they can flow. These are examples of liquids. We choose vinegar, milk, and water. Gas. Most of the time, gas is odorless and colorless. Just like liquid, they can flow. It also takes the shape of its container. Look at this. The gas inside the balloons have many shapes. Particles of gas move very fast. Once they have a chance to escape, this happens. Gas also has mass. They have indefinite volume and indefinite shape because particles are very far from each other. These are examples of gas: steam, smoke, the carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air, the wind and clouds. It's quiz time. Check the state of matter that corresponds to the following characteristics or give an example. Check all that applies. Number one, has mass. Number two, has definite shape. Number three, indefinite shape. Number four, indefinite volume. Five, can flow. Six, can be held by hand. Seven, definite shape. Eight, can be rough or smooth.